Hi, through this video, I will help you today the process of demo installation of Petslist WordPress theme. To start this process, go first to the appearance and theme of your WordPress dashboard. Click Upload Themes and choose the exact zip file that you have been provided while purchasing it. And then install it. Now, click to activate this theme. While clicking on it, it will show you a list of recommended plugins what you need to install first to start. What you are needed now is to select all the plugins together on the display and click on the Apply button. Your installation has been completed. Now, return to Required Plugin Installer to activate these plugins. This process is successfully completed. After activating, go to the dashboard and to installed plugins. There is RT Demo Importer. Now install it, and if you want, you can also remove it later. Finally, you will get multiple demos of Petslist themes. From these several demos, you can try any one of it. And for example, you can check this demo. How does it look like? Or alternatively, go and try the another demo for your required features and other amenities of the Petslist theme. So, this is how you can install this Petslist WordPress theme. Thank you for watching.